Alright guys, this is my 2010 SS Camaro. I'm sorry for it being dirty. Just got back from a trip in the mountains. It was pretty fun. The car has a K&N cold air intake on it. Has Kooks 1 7/8 inch long tube headers with a 3-inch collector with 3-inch high flow cats into a 3-inch X pipe and a 3-inch Kooks catback exhaust on it. The whole kit come from Kooks. It's a very good kit. Sounds awesome. My first video I did was on my phone and it sounded pretty much like crap. This is a GoPro Hero LCD I bought for my trip, and I'm pretty happy with the camera. It's got some exhaust videos and stuff through the mountains and tunnels. Just check my channel. But I wanted to do a cold start and I wasn't able to do it in the mountains. But this is a cold start for a car. The car's been sitting all night and it's probably 60 degrees outside, so. Idles really quiet. After it idles down and gets in the closed loop, it sounds pretty quiet. Right now it's kind of loud. And the cabin is not loud at all. It's got a real light drone to it, but nothing real heavy. And you have to excuse my pipes, but they're dirty. I'll give you a little rev. Overall, I'm real happy with the exhaust. Sounds good. As you can hear when you open it up past about 2 or 3 grand, it gets incredibly loud. I'm probably going to, when I do my cam or my intake, I'm probably going to go ahead and take the cats off. I bought the cats so the check engine light would stay off, and it came on anyway. So having the cats off probably opens up some more power after I do the cam. But stay tuned for more updates and more performance mods. Plenty to come in the future.